Looking for a powerful, lightweight, and security-focused Linux distribution? Today, we're diving into Parrot OS MATE Edition, a system designed for developers, cybersecurity enthusiasts, and privacy-conscious users alike. Whether you're new to ethical hacking or just want a fast and stable Linux desktop, this review will give you everything you need to know. Parrot OS MATE Edition is a Debian-based Linux distribution focused on security, development, and privacy. Unlike heavier desktop environments, the MATE Edition keeps things simple, clean, and efficient. It delivers a traditional desktop experience while maintaining strong performance even on modest hardware. The interface is straightforward and user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners while still offering powerful tools for advanced users. Out of the box, it comes preloaded with a wide range of cybersecurity and development tools, which makes it especially appealing for penetration testers and programmers. Performance is one of the strongest aspects of Parrot OS MATE Edition. Thanks to the lightweight MATE desktop environment, the system runs smoothly on both older machines and modern hardware. Boot times are fast, memory usage is relatively low, and overall responsiveness is solid. Compared to heavier desktop environments, MATE provides a noticeable improvement in speed without sacrificing usability. Multitasking is efficient, and the system remains stable even under heavier workloads like running virtual machines or security tools. Parrot OS includes a comprehensive suite of tools for penetration testing, digital forensics, programming, and privacy protection. It also emphasizes security with built-in features like sandboxing and anonymization tools. For developers, it supports multiple programming languages and comes with essential tools pre-installed. For general users, it can easily be customized into a daily driver with access to a wide range of Linux applications. If you're running Parrot OS MATE Edition on a low-end device, these tweaks are especially worth considering to get the best possible performance. Disable unnecessary startup applications to reduce boot time and free up system resources. Turn off visual effects and animations in MATE to improve responsiveness. Use lightweight applications instead of heavy ones, like replacing full browsers with lighter alternatives. Reduce background services that you don't actively use. Adjust swappiness and system settings to better manage limited RAM. Keep your system clean by removing unused packages and files. These optimizations can make a noticeable difference, helping low-end devices run smoother, faster, and more efficiently. So, is Parrot OS MATE Edition worth using? If you're looking for a lightweight, secure, and versatile Linux distribution, the answer is yes. It strikes a strong balance between performance and functionality. However, if you prefer a more modern or visually polished interface, you might find MATE a bit traditional. For cybersecurity enthusiasts and developers, it's definitely a solid choice. For casual users, it can still work well with a bit of customization. To obtain Parrot OS MATE Edition, refer to the official download page linked in the description. From there, navigate to the available editions, select the Community Spins section, and choose the MATE Edition to proceed with the download. That's it for today's review of Parrot OS MATE Edition. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Your support helps me keep creating in-depth tech reviews and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.